𝗬𝗏𝗁, yeah, so we farm 700 odd hectares of land here in mid-Canterbury, New Zealand. We're growing 180 hectares of potatoes, 40 hectares of processed and 140 of seed potatoes. Of that 140, there's about 20 different seed varieties. I think especially with the optical grader, I think these days if you haven't got it dry, the machines, they just won't read it properly. Also, you're curing the skins, setting 3 to 4 weeks in for drying, and then they come out and go through the seed grader here for splitting into sizes and to be shipped basically all around New Zealand to different clients. I think the optical sorting is the future. So it was just that and the fact that I was looking at the sustainability of what we were doing with labour, and it became pretty obvious that we had to make some changes to be sustainable, and this was clearly the most obvious from that perspective, which it's been proved to be the case. You start at 7 or 7:30 in the morning and it's still going the same at 5:30 at night. With the staff, and no disrespect to the staff, but you start at 8 o'clock in the morning and by 8:10 some of them have had enough. And so I think the consistency of product is probably better. Yeah, I think in that consistency we just talked about, I think if I was to do the same job with people, we would definitely be having to run slower on certain lines. Some of our lines this year have been a bit challenging, and it's amazing what the machine can pump through. I think conservatively we've lost 5 staff from here. And that's, yes, we're running 2 forklifts as opposed to 1, but then that comes with more throughput. So yeah, just a little bit of a change in operation there, but no, conservatively I'd say 5. If we could feed the machine fast enough, we would double what we were doing before. The whole procedure's been pretty straightforward, to be fair. I mean, good 𝗴𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 guys, good people to deal with. Promotional masterpiece.